For our credit report tip of the day, there comes a point after a crisis when you realize no one is coming to rescue you. You have to rise and advocate for yourself. When life knocks you flat, the last thing you want is another tough conversation. But this is the moment to move. Pull your credit report, study it, walk into your banker's office with clarity instead of fear. Every line on that report tells a story of what you survived and what you're willing to confront. Use it to show your effort, your consistency, and your determination to steady your footing. This is not just paperwork. It's you taking control, demanding a pause and giving yourself the space you deserve to rebuild with strength and dignity.